In the heart of Europe, a series of conflicts reshaped the borders, identities, and lives of millions. This is the story of the Yugoslav Wars, a complex web of struggles that marked the end of a nation. Let's dive into this tragic, yet interesting piece of history. Chapter 1. The Mosaic of Yugoslavia. Yugoslavia stood as a beacon of unity in post-World War I Europe, a nation comprising diverse ethnicities, cultures, and religions. It was an ambitious blend of 6 republics and 2 autonomous provinces, each with its unique identity yet tied to a common statehood. This unity, however, masked deep-seated nationalistic tensions and ethnic rivalries that simmered below the surface, laying the groundwork for future conflicts. Chapter 2. The Rise of Nationalism. The 1980s marked a period of significant economic downturn and political instability within Yugoslavia. It was against this backdrop that nationalism found fertile ground to grow. Leaders such as Slobodan Milošević capitalized on these sentiments, promoting an aggressive nationalist agenda that exacerbated ethnic divisions. This period set the stage for the unraveling of Yugoslav unity, as republics began to assert their desire for independence, amid a climate of growing mistrust and animosity. Chapter 3. The Outbreak of War. The declarations of independence by Slovenia and Croatia in 1991 lit the fuse of conflict, leading to brief but intense engagements with Yugoslav forces. However, it was in Bosnia and Herzegovina where the fires of war burned most fiercely, evolving into a brutal conflict characterized by ethnic cleansing, sieges, and mass atrocities. The war in Bosnia highlighted the devastating human cost of the conflict, with communities torn apart and the international community shocked into action. Quick timeout. If you like this journey so far, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Now back to the action. Chapter 4. International Intervention. In response to the escalating violence, the international community stepped in, albeit with varying degrees of success. The United Nations deployed peacekeepers in an attempt to halt the atrocities, while NATO conducted airstrikes against aggressors. These efforts, combined with diplomatic pressures, eventually led to the signing of the Dayton Accords in 1995. This peace agreement ended the war in Bosnia, setting the framework for future peace, but leaving the region deeply scarred and divided. Chapter 5. Aftermath and Rebuilding. The war's conclusion saw the former Yugoslav republics embark on a challenging path towards peace, reconciliation, and integration into the international community. The establishment of the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia aimed to address the war crimes committed, emphasizing the importance of justice in the healing process. Despite these efforts, the legacy of the wars continues to influence the political and social landscape of the Balkans, with the journey towards lasting peace and reconciliation still ongoing. Conclusion, legacy, and hope. Today, the story of the Yugoslav Wars serves as a somber reminder of nationalism's dangers and the complex journey from conflict to reconciliation. As former enemies forge new identities, the legacy of the past and the hope for a united future coexist, ever reminding us of the fragile tapestry of peace. Thank you for watching. If you found any value in this video, please make sure to like, follow, and subscribe. This way, you will not miss out on any future videos.